Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to add stock videos into the video or over the video. So let's go to our website. And for creating a video, let's choose this video option from this different icon. Then you have to select the video format according to your video. So choose according to your video type. I'll go for this one. And now I'm going to add one of the Canva video which I already choose from the Canva template to show you how you can add stock footage over the video. So let's apply all the pages. Then to add stock videos into a video, first of all you have to search a video from the video option here. Now all you have to do is search the video which is related to a video. Suppose this is couple based video, so I am going to search couple here. And here Canva give us so many videos, some of are for the free like this one, and some of are for only for the pro user which have crown mark on it. If you don't have a pro account, you can go to the filter and apply the free one. Then here Canva give us so many video which is for the free, but I have already a pro account, so I can use anyone from this. Now let's choose I'll go for this one. I think this video is going to match my video, so let's add. First of all you have to choose the right position from where you want to add this stock footage. Suppose you have to add stock footage in this between these two pages, so all you have to do is just click on it and drag it over here. Or if you don't have this different type of pages of your video, so you can make it by splitting the video. Just choose the right position, then click right button. Then you can see the option of split page here. Choose it and you can see this clip divided into two different sections. But now let's undo this. I don't want to divide it. Or if you want to add this clip over the video, you can also add. First of all, for this we have to go to the elements here, then scroll down, and here you can see the option of grids. Select the first one from this. First of all select a page in which you want to add stock footage, then select this first one, and now we have a full screen frame in our video which we use to add this clip, this one. Now let's add this. You have to click on this clip and drag it over here like this. Then you can select speed of the video from the playback option. Then you can also select some portion of the video which you want to add like this. And when you click right button, you can see the option of show timing. From here you can choose the timing of your stock footage. Then you can adjust like this. Now let's see how it's look. So guys, you can see it's perfectly added to my video. You can add over the video or between the video. It's up to you how you want to add. And to download this video, you can go to this share button, then choose the download option, and you can download this. So guys, by this way you can add stock footage to any video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this.